Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a blog on Weebly, so let's get right into it. Now for that, I do recommend you use a blog template or blog theme. So let me just exit out of this theme. Maybe I can create a new one, or if I can't, I'll be able to show you guys how you can do something else. So let me see if I can create a new website. Let me just go to Weebly in just a second. But yeah, you can just select a blog template or a blog theme, and it looks like I can't create a new theme, which kind of sucks because I wanted to show you guys how you can enter a new domain or a new theme just with all the content in mind. And as you can see, I'll just go over into my site editor. What I did, I chose the barbershop theme first, and then I switched to a restaurant theme. However, the content stayed the same, and I kind of wanted to avoid that, but it doesn't really matter. I'll skip over the domain options. Then I'll go into theme, click on change theme, and go ahead and select a blog theme. Just a second, go into blogs and select whichever theme you would like. So for example, this one, click choose theme, and that's going to change your theme promptly. However, the content of the previous theme should stay, as you can see. And yeah, now you have pretty much a blog, and you can write your posts over here if you want to. You can go into apps and possibly find an app to help you with writing blogs, if there is any. However, mostly it's just to help your sites succeed. You can go into pages and edit all of your pages from here. You can delete them if you so choose and enter new pages if you wish. And you can also go into settings to set up all of your blog options. You can go into blog, and as you can see, you can set up the comment system as well as general settings such as post per page, post share buttons, blog sidebar, etc., etc. But yeah, you can also use the build section to, of course, add posts or add anything else to your blog if you so choose. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Once you're done, you just click publish, and that should be it. And it's as easy as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.